riches of Africa. So we must unite as Africans. We must follow in the footsteps of those who came before us. We must follow in Nkuruma's footsteps. We must say those who want to divide Africa, they should not do it in our name. None of us here in South Africa can claim not to be an African. All of you came to settle here, coming up from the north, and that's where you ended up. Therefore, you must never claim to be something else other than African. The rejection of other Africans is a self-rejection, it's a self-hatred, it's because you don't know who you are. If you know who you are, you will never reject people from DRC, you'll never reject people from Nigeria, you'll never reject people from Ghana, you'll never reject people from Zimbabwe, because if you trace your history, you are actually a Zimbabwean. If you trace your history, you are actually Nigerian. That's what makes us Africans. That's the beauty of Africa. We share history, we share culture, and all of that the imperialists have destroyed. They've destroyed that knowledge because they know that if you know that history, they know that if you know that you share a culture, you are going to embrace each other, therefore you are going to be united, and a united Africa is a threat to imperialism, is a threat to colonialism, is a threat to capitalism. That's why they destroyed African philosophy, that's why they destroyed African history, that's why they destroyed African knowledge, because with that knowledge we will know that we are one thing. That's why the decolonized education is very important, because through decolonized education we will know that we are the founders of knowledge, and therefore there is nothing better about Europe or America or Asia. Everything else started here. Civilization started here. They came to copy it from us and then destroyed our